Hello and welcome back to our channel.
So today we wanted to try something out of our comfort zone, and we looked at trying a vegan recipe out of Oshi cloves, and I'm actually really excited about it.
Yeah, me too.
Let's get started.
First, we're going to start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and lining an extra large baking sheet. If you want to, mine was non-stick, so we just left it.
Step number 2, we're gonna peel the sweet potatoes and chop them into 1-inch cubes. Place a can of drained chickpeas on with the sweet potato on the prepared baking sheet. Drizzle with some oil and toss until thoroughly coated.
So we were supposed to add in some maple syrup here, but we forgot it. So we did add it later off camera.
Sprinkle pumpkin pie spice and salt all over the sweet potatoes and chickpeas. Roast uncovered for 32 to 38 minutes until sweet potatoes are fork tender and golden brown.
While that is cooking, you're going to prepare the kale salad. You're going to tear off the pieces of kale and make sure that they're thoroughly washed. Put them back into a big bowl, and we're going to prepare the dressing.
In a small bowl, whisk together the garlic, lemon juice, oil, maple syrup, salt, and tahini until smooth. Pour the dressing over the kale and massage it into the leaves with your hands until fully coated.
When the chickpeas and sweet potatoes are finished, you can take them out of the oven and drizzle them with another tablespoon of maple syrup. Gently toss them to coat. You can taste them and re-season them with some pumpkin pie spice or some salt if you feel it needs either of those.
Then, to serve, portion the kale into a bowl, top with the warm sweet potatoes and chickpeas, and then garnish with some pumpkin seeds. And then you serve it warm.
Okay, we're ready to try it.
Yes, it looks really good. I'm like super hungry for it. Sweet potato is really good.
I think the taste is really good. I think for a beginner salad recipe, this would be a little bit, the kale's a little spiny. I think I would chop the kale really fine if I were to make this recipe again, and then it would just be perfect, I think.
Maybe massage it a little bit more with the dressing, but I think that's the thing.
But the flavors.
Yeah, the flavors are really good.
So I really think this is maybe user error.
Yeah, I think so too.
If you're like me and have a family with small kids, salads are not always the most appealing. So this is how I would serve this recipe to small children. First off, I would make sure that I chop it nice and small. I would serve very tiny portions of everything, especially if the kids are not used to this kind of eating. And I would serve it deconstructed just like that. With this, I would always serve something that I know the kids like, something like rice or butter toast. Well, that's it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing or giving this a thumbs up. It really helps support our channel.
Yeah, thanks for watching, and we hope you really enjoyed it. Let us know in the comments below if there's any recipes that you want us to try out. We love to try new things.